our primary reseller in this area, and we're proud to have him working the show with us. Richard, tell me a little bit about what do you like about AVTECH, and what impresses you about Room Alert?
Well, what I like about AVTECH, first of all, is the support we get from the US. It's a fantastic product, fantastic build quality, and the technical support is absolutely second to none. So we're really, really happy with the product.
Well, we've been pleased working with you too. One of the things that makes you unique is you'll go out and actually do installations for customers. Is that correct?
Absolutely, yeah. We'll provide a turnkey operation. So being here on the ground, getting the great support that we get from AVTECH, the knowledge that we get from them, we're very fluent with the installations of the product. The technical support we get then follows through with our client. But not only that, then we can give them a turnkey operation. So we'll set up their Cat5 cables or their fibre optic build, and it gives them a build from start to finish.
Great. If you're in the area, please come by and visit us at the show. We'd like to meet you. Have a good day.